Hey, welcome you all. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about ShopRoll reviews? Watch the video till then because in this video we are going to share unbiased review regarding this store. So let's check out the details. ShopRoll emerged as an online store dealing with the latest bicycles and updated models. The website came into existence on 4th August 2021. Coming on this website, people can get their hands on website catalog. So let's check out the specification of ShopRoll. Its age is just 3 days. It is HTTP secured website and they are selling bicycles. Email address they have mentioned is matching the domain name, which is a positive sign. On their official website, they have mentioned the physical address and contact number. They are accepting different payment methods and they are accepting return of the product within 30 days of your purchase. As far as refund is concerned, it takes up to 7 to 10 days to initiate the refund. As far as exchange policy is concerned, any product if received in damaged condition can be exchanged easily. The advantages of shopping from ShopRoll are the website provides 24/7 support. They have catalog that include bicycles from many brands. The collection involves models that works on motors, some electric motors and some other ordinary one. Exchange on the product is readily available easily within 30 days of purchase. Disadvantages of buying from ShopRoll are the ShopRoll reviews found on internet are all negative and quite helpful for the viewers. The website is just 3 days old. They have not listed complete details as to the delivery charges. The website does not have any social media presence on any platform. The catalog has just 35 products. The prices of the products are very high as compared to the market price of the same product, and no information is mentioned as they ship worldwide or not. So the question is ShopRoll legit? As we are getting to know this website, some factors became essential to throw some light on. So as we are discussing, it was created on 4th August 2021 and it will expire on 4th August 2022. Its trust index score is 27%, which is below average, and index rank is 3.5 out of 100. The address on the website is an official address based in a market area. The content of the website does not appear to be unique and is somewhat copied and plagiarized. The brand does not have any social media page or existence. So while getting to know this website, to know more about it, we discovered that there are some reviews, but all of them are negative and cannot be considered an opinion to go forward with the purchase. Thus, this website seems questionable. So as it is based in India and was introduced recently and deals in the supply of bicycle, thus these ShopRoll reviews made us understand this website is questionable and people cannot trust it this early as it is very new. Therefore, we would not recommend our viewers to go further with the purchase unless you can do your own research and just wait for some genuine reviews to come within some time. Meanwhile, you can shop the bicycle of your need from some other legit stores. And if you have experience of shopping from this store, please do write about your experience. We love to hear from you in comment box.